Hello dears, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare a homemade anti-wrinkle recipe. For this recipe, you will need lemon. Lemon is one of the most beneficial natural products for the skin. Benefits of lemon for the skin: gives clarity to the skin. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon clarify the skin, whiten it, and give it a natural glow. Balances oily skin. The natural acids in lemon reduce the activity of the sebaceous glands and prevent excessive oiliness of the skin. Reduces spots and pigments. Due to its whitening properties, it reduces sunspots, acne scars, and blackheads. Has an antibacterial effect on the skin. Lemon has antibacterial properties, which is why it is useful in reducing acne and pimples. Anti-wrinkle benefits of lemon: activates collagen production. Vitamin C in lemon stimulates the production of collagen, which maintains skin elasticity, slows down premature aging. Antioxidants reduce the effects of free radicals, which delays the appearance of wrinkles. Removes dead cells. The natural acids in lemon soften the skin surface, remove dead cells, and accelerate skin renewal. Gives the skin smoothness and elasticity. Regular lemon masks tighten the skin, reduce fine wrinkles, and make the face look younger. Note: since lemon is a very strong natural acid, it is not recommended to apply it to the skin in its pure form. Always mix lemon with honey, yogurt, cucumber, or water to make a mask. After a lemon mask, it is necessary to avoid sun exposure or apply SPF cream, as the skin becomes more sensitive to the sun. Benefits of milk for facial skin: gives softness and smoothness to the skin. The natural oils and proteins in milk moisturize the skin, making it soft and smooth. Especially useful for dry skin. Gives clarity to the skin. The lactic acid in milk dissolves dead cells and ensures that the skin is renewed with new cells. As a result, the skin looks clear and radiant. Dear viewers, from which country are you watching my videos? Please write it in the comments. I'd love to know where you're from. If you love natural beauty, anti-aging remedies, and homemade skincare recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Let's stay beautiful the natural way together. What you might like about this remedy is that it helps you get rid of the AG spot where you have pigmentation and makes your face look smooth and beautiful. To use this, you just take a tomato and then rub it on your face. So before you take the tomato, you have to make sure you rotate it like this. If you want to use this tool for 5 days, so when you finish using the tomato, you don't have to throw it away. You first cut the surface of the face. Use a fresh surface to apply to your face. Dip it in and then gently rub it on your face. If you don't have dry milk, you can use fresh milk, i.e. liquid milk. So take the time to rub it into your skin. It's great. So when you're done scrubbing it off, you just leave FT on for 5 minutes and then wash it off. you will find that the natural ingredient is very good at keeping your skin smooth. You use this for 5 days. Fluff, you want to look younger, have younger skin. Dear viewers, from which country are you watching my videos? Please write it in the comments. I'd love to know where you're from. If you love natural beauty, anti-aging remedies, and homemade skincare recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Let's stay beautiful the natural way together.